Monday, June 30th, 1:48 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. It's the last trading day of the month. I took 2 day trades on the currency pair, the euro dollar. They were scalps, they were winners. I'm a happy camper. Wasn't even planning a trade on the last day. I sat and waited for a while, and then I saw some nice setups. So I participated. Since it's the last day of the month, let's do a top-down looking at the euro, the currency in the futures market, /6E. Far right is the monthly chart. If you don't know, we made an all-time new high for the year today. Look at this huge breakout. That's a monthly candle. Yep, we broke out the high of last week. This morning, that was the middle. And the far left chart is the daily. Nice. Higher high, higher low. Momentum's to the upside. Again, looking here on the far right grid, the 5-year. Some big, strong, bullish impulse moves this year euro has made. Nice. Let's go to the day trades now. These are screenshots I took, real time. Each grid is 2 minutes. The left is the ES and the right is the 6E. So I had them both open. I was undecided which one I was going to day trade, so I was watching both, looking for setups. Big difference. Again, this is a screenshot at 11:02 a.m. New York time. Yeah. The ES is doing a lot of consolidation, almost like a bar chart. You know, when you got your packages and you got the bars in the back. Wasn't impressed. First, the euro was trending. Yeah, right away, I was watching that a lot more. Already, and this is incorrect. I apologize. See that yellow horizontal line? It should be ONH, overnight high. I was rushing. Shame on me. So that was the overnight high. And I was looking for a break above it again for potential trade. So since it broke there, again, that was the overnight high. And it broke it because they're overnight earlier. I was looking for a setup. So we had a setup. The overnight high was broken. We had a pullback. I'm not going to buy in the breakout immediately there. Nope. I'm looking for that pullback. I see this consolidation and this big green candle, bullish engulfing candle. Nice. That red candle did a retest, big wick. Buyer stepped in there. I liked it. So 11:05, I took my trade and went long. Right here, that green candle. Nice. My first target was up in this big red candle. $11.10. I'm out of the trade for profits. Yeah, went in there. Sure, I left money on the table because it could go higher. But I had a certain amount of points I was targeting again. And I was thinking, look, that big wick up there. It may not even go all the way up there. Let me be conservative and be happy with my normal profit target. And it did. Worked out fine. Back of screen, 11:05. Got in the trade right here. Far right grid. And I got out here at 11:10. So 5 minutes, 4 minutes, a few seconds in the trade. Nice. First profit winner. After 11:05, it went higher. Left money on the table. This 11:15 and 11:16. Yep. Broke above that red candle high. Yep. Left money on the table. And then 11:17, it went even higher and retested and broke the prior day high. That was Friday's high, that second yellow horizontal line on the top. Broke above it. Right away when that happened, I said, I'm not walking away. I'm staying here. I'm looking for a pullback, thinking, where might it go? So right off the bat, I see this trend. And I'm thinking maybe this is the target area over here. But yeah, I'm not buying this breakout at the top. I want to see retracement. 11:27. Look at that retracement in that imbalance area right here. Got an inside candle forming. Already had a wick on that red candle. Nice. And we didn't even break here. Nope, that was a nice area. So see here, buyers already stepping in early. 11:28, I went long. Second trade, long. And look at these trends. A to B, pullback. B to C, C to D. My thought is, again, up here, see this imbalance area? That's where my target is. Not sure if it's going to go all the way up there because that green candle up there was bearish pin bar. 11:35, higher. It's in that imbalance area. And building consolidation here, higher highs, higher lows. 11:38, getting concerned here. Okay, I like that red candle, big wick, tested that body, buyer stepped in. So I'm still in the trade, didn't close it yet. 11:40, big pullback. Wow, not a happy camper. Not a happy camper. Big pullback. You can see here too on the ES on the left chart. Look at that W pattern. Back here on the far right now on the euro. Big green candle. Reversed right here. Nice. Look at this M pattern almost. So at this point, I was thinking, yeah, I'm just going to close half my target area, not do that max target I was going for here. And then all of a sudden, a big impulse move up. I got my max profit. I'm out of the trade. So again, my original here, up here, that swing high, that's where I was looking to close. But because I was concerned I was going to close out here, but that fast move up. So 11:43, I'm out of the trade. Second trade, profit. Nice camper. Where did it go from there? Went higher. Went a lot higher. Look at this, 11:47. Huge breakout to the upside. Wow. Yep. It was a huge move. Left a lot of money on the table. That would have been a beautiful in and out of trade if I had gotten out at that point instead of earlier. Again, it could have gone against me. Wow. Like amazing. Yep. So this is the radar screen I have when I'm looking at the other monitor. Far right chart, 4 hour, second from the right, 1 hour, second from the left, 15-minute, and the far left, 5-minute. Getting a view of multiple time frames, how things were going. So now I'm going to put this back on the 2-minute so you could get a point more perspective. There we go on the 2-minute chart. Zooming in from 8 a.m. right there. Yeah. Again, big move up. And I had momentum continue a little bit higher and then deep pullback. Scalping, that's the point. Look at the lower time frame. Identify the big moves. How likely those are sustainable. Yeah. Opportunities that I definitely was appreciating that I got 2 of them today, let alone even think I was going to trade today. Thank you as always. Spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.